Hello guys! Welcome back to our Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. This channel brings you the advanced concepts and technologies available in the modern healthcare industry. Please subscribe, share, and like our videos. This will be great support from you guys, for us. In today's video, we are talking about the modern healthcare profession of medical billing specialist. A medical billing specialist is a professional who is responsible for submitting medical claims to insurance companies and government agencies for reimbursement. They work with healthcare professionals to ensure that the claims are accurately coded and processed following insurance policies and government regulations. Medical billing specialists are also responsible for following up on unpaid claims and resolving any issues that arise. Medical billing specialist jobs require a high level of accuracy and attention to detail. Medical billing specialists must be familiar with medical terminology, anatomy, and physiology, as well as coding systems such as ICD-10, ICD-9, CPT, and HCPCS. They must also be proficient in using billing software and have excellent communication and organizational skills. To become a medical billing specialist, you typically need a high school diploma or equivalent. Many employers prefer candidates with an associate's degree in medical billing or a related field. Certification is also available through organizations such as the American Academy of Professional Coders, AAPC, and the American Health Information Management Association, AHIMA. Certification can help you stand out in the job market and demonstrate your knowledge and skills to potential employers. Medical billing specialist jobs are available in a variety of settings, including hospitals, clinics, physician offices, and insurance companies. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of medical records and health information technicians, which includes medical billing specialists, is projected to grow 8% from 2020 to 2030, faster than the average for all occupations. This growth is due to an aging population and an increased need for healthcare services.